frog. Good morning, my dear students. In this class, we are going to learn about frog. The scientific name of frog is called as Rana tigriana. Class, amphibian. Order, Anura. Family, Ranidae. The body of frog is spindle shaped, slightly fattened, dorso-ventrally. I repeat, slightly flattened, spindle shaped, dorso-ventrally. Skin is thin, scaleless and moist. Dorsally, it resembles olive green in color with irregular dark spots. Ventrally, pale yellow in color. Frog never drinks water. It absorbs through moist skin. The body of the frog is divided into two parts, head and trunk. Neck and tail are absent. Above the snout, a pair of external nostrils are present. Eyes are bulged and are covered by nictitating membrane. Eyes are bulged and are covered by nictitating membrane. Behind each eye, a membranous tympanum is present, which is called as eardrum, that receives sound waves. Forelimbs and hind limbs. Behind each eye, a membranous tympanum is present that receives sound waves. Forelimbs and hind limbs helps in swimming, walking, leaping and burrowing. Hind limbs bear 5 digits each. They are larger and more muscular than forelimbs. Hind limbs are little larger and muscular. Muscle content will be more in hind limbs than coming to forelimbs. The forelimbs have 4 digits and the hind limbs have 5 digits. Feet have webbed digits, web mother, like this it will be. Webbed digits and webs helps in swimming. Frogs exhibit sexual dimorphism. Male frog, the differentiate between male frog and female frog is, male frog has sound amplifying vocal sacs and also a copulatory pad on the first digit of each forelimb. There are 2 forelimbs, 4 forelimbs, 4 digits. FOR is called as 4, FOUR 4 digits. The first digit of a forelimb has copulatory pads which are absent in female frogs. The body cavity or coelom of frog accommodates internal organs or viscera. This is the general introduction part of the frog. Now, in this class, same we have to learn about the digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, reproductive system, nervous system. This frog comes under vertebrates. Like a man, how we have, there is a small variations. For example, frog circulatory system is incomplete double circulatory system, not complete double circulatory system. Frogs are called as cold-blooded animals, poikiloderms, which can outside hot, not inside hot. Outside cool, na inside cool. They're cold-blooded animals, according to the situation. Digestive system. It starts from the mouth, ends with an anus. But it is quite different. Small changes are differences are there. Next, respiratory system. Here, for example, human beings respire through lungs, but frogs respire through 3 different ways: bucopharyngeal, skin, and lungs. Excretory organs are kidneys. Nervous system is present. Reproductive system is present. It's all well developed things. And from coming classes, we will be discussing about each and every system in detail. Thanking you, signing off. Mahesh.